Careful, 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 careful. ABS just kicked off. Leaves are slick. Be careful. Not riding on ice. Big reindeer. God bless Texas. Twice. Pretty good. Y'all are supposed to wait for Santa. What's
Last night. Santa came last night.
What's he doing coming early?
That's what I said. He's good.
I'm looking forward to him this year. Really am.
Definitely after last year.
Nephews and nieces will benefit from his.
Did y'all come last night?
No,
Do you live in this neighborhood?
I actually forgot about this guy. I was out just
I did
enjoying the weather before it gets too cold. And I was like, oh yeah, this guy, and he's really,
He looks really good. I saw pictures. He looked really good.
Wow.
Yeah. Do you live in here, in this neighborhood?
I live on the other side of the track.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm at the red house with all the lights. The trees, and they come over the street. Like your house? No. My house, everybody knows my fucking house.
I'll have to drive it
right
at
up. Yeah, just come during the evening.
But yeah, I'm gonna do an evening shoot to see all the lights and get the glory of
yeah.
Man alive, what this guy does.
It looks good.
Do you know who this owner is?
Yeah, I do. Her name's McKenzie.
McKenzie.
Yeah.
Well, God bless McKenzie.
Yeah, she's awesome. She's done a lot.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, she does good. I think it's her company. I think she does events. But I'm not sure. I've heard that her company owns the house. She lives here. She does all these events here, and yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. She's super sweet. If you ever come and to any of the things, she loves to talk. So.
Well, she did one thing right this was yard. She did a really spread on Halloween.
Oh, it was awesome.
If I remember right, I got pictures of it somewhere.
So what she did was it was like a haunted house kind of thing, and so she did different like segments around her house, and it was Batman and Robin, and she had princesses and Mickey Mouse and every single
right.
different section of it was a different theme. And it was so cool. You go through, you take your kids, she gave out candy, and then at the end she had this photo booth. And so you could go and like pick up props and glasses and all kinds of stuff, and you could take a picture, and then she just sends you the picture. And it's all, she does a charity, it's called the Lunchbox for Kids. Yeah, so. Yeah, she's awesome.
Sounds like I missed out because I didn't stop.
Yeah, I know.
Oh well. Anyway, thank you for the info.
Yeah.